Do you know what is this? Well, in the course of the video, I'll be introducing and telling you what this really is. So in this video, basically, we shall be looking at how to stop possible engine oil leakage in your car. After watching this video, of course, you stop that engine oil leakage. First of all, how can you tell if your car is actually leaking oil as it progresses? The best way and the only way you can is checking the dipstick of your car. Of course, when you pull out the dipstick, do you often recognize or notice that the oil tends to reduce gradually, decreases at a high speed. Even eventually, if you do a top up, you notice that it still decreases at a very high speed without you driving it for long. Then note that yes, of course, your car engine oil is actually leaking somewhere. So that is the only way you can detect. And basically, the major way or the major culprit of car engine oil leakage is normally the top gasket, because that's the one that is visible. That's the one you can see in your car. If you check the engine top gasket, you notice as you move around your car engine and you notice that there's no leakage anywhere, then of course there's another way, or there's another means by which the oil is actually leaking and thereby decreasing, which indicates in your car engine oil gauge. Now once you check that and you notice that there's no leakage in your top oil gasket, the next place you can check is actually the oil filter below the engine. And in some cases, the car engine oil tends to leak around the oil filter, and of course, which means you have to change the oil filter, or if there's any way you can fix it, then you can fix it. But now there's one I would like to show you, and that draws back to this first bolt that I show you from the start of this video. What is this? Let me put it down to the camera. This is actually the bolt that covers the oil pan drain below your engine. Of course, all engine has an oil pan, and there's a bolt which you normally pull out, that you lose if you want to actually drain some oil. In most cases, the thread of the bolt, let me show you, the thread of the bolt tends to wash in most cases, and in some cases the oil pan below, you tend to have a fault, maybe by rust or something like that. Then if it's not the oil pan, then note that it must be this bolt that is being used to cover the drain spots. And notice in some cases, in most cases actually, the bolt doesn't, maybe it comes with the gasket. This is actually a metal gasket. It comes with it, but in some cases, maybe the car mechanic that wants to do an engine maintenance on your car might lose this, and once this has gone out, there are possibilities that you start experiencing leakage from the spots around this car bolt. And if you want to notice that maybe it's from this spot, once you move to the bottom of your car, that's below your car, you notice that the spill might be minor. It is not really noticeable. So the best way you can do that is to pour fresh water. And once you pour fresh water, wait for a while. You notice that no matter how minute the oil spill is, it will spread, and of course the water will bring it out. And that's another way to notice that yes, it's coming from that spot. And once it's coming from that spot, the best thing you can do is actually go for a new bolt around the drain spots. That's the oil pan drain spot below the engine. So this is a new one, and I just got this for a car which is actually leaking, and we shall be changing it. And after changing it, I'll allow the car to drive for a while, and if we notice there's still another leakage, that means maybe the engine oil is burning inside the engine, and it will be an internal engine problem, which we have to consult a higher mechanic. But like I said, this is one of the culprits that people do ignore. So check your bolts. That's the bolt around the car drain, the oil pan, the car drain spots in the oil pan. Tell the mechanic to check it properly. If the gasket, it could be a metal gasket, but basically I think it should be a metal gasket. It shouldn't be a rubber gasket. If the gasket is still there, and ensure if it's not there, just go and get a new bolt for your car drain pan, and of course you get your car running once again. So if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it to someone that has a car that is currently experiencing a decrease in his car engine oil once he moves within a little mileage. And of course you should go for this, because if there's no noticeable oil drain around the top gasket, the oil filter spots, then of course you should go for a new one. Like I told you, the most cases the spill is normally minute, which you wouldn't notice. So just pour water below the car. Of course you see the spread because it pours and it dries up immediately without you noticing. But pour fresh water, of course, you see the spread of this oil, and of course go for a new one. So like I said, share this video if you find it useful. Refil is the name of this YouTube channel, and of course we bring tutorials that are quite helpful for you. So if you want to be part of this channel, simply hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and you'll be notified whenever I put up my next tutorial video. So we'll see you on the next one. This is actually a car video. We'll cover all aspects of technology. See you on the next one. Chibuzagwa remains my name. These days I normally forget to tell my name in most intros of my video, well, because I just want to get straight to the point of the video. So Chibuzagwa remains my name. See you on the next one. Go to our playlist, watch other videos, and of course subscribe to this YouTube channel.